Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another topic on the HTML. So and also we have covered the some of the topics on the HTML. Those are like basic HTML. What is HTML? That is introduction of HTML, and what is the tags? What is the tags, and what are the elements, and also what are the difference between the tags and elements. So we have seen in the previous videos, and also we have seen the basic structure of the HTML also in the previous video. If you haven't gone through with that, so you can go with the HTML playlist. Okay. So now let's see what is the topic we do have today. Yeah, so we have a topic that what are the headers tag. Okay, so what are the header tags? So first of all, we need to understand what is this header tags for. Okay, so what is the purpose of this header tag? So if you are using the header tags, it will give the headings and the subheadings for your web page. You can see that the in the HTML header tags, also known as a heading tags or H tags. Okay. So this is used for to define the what headings and the subheadings on the web pages. Okay. So what is like there are six types in this from H1 to H6 means H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay. So these are the header tags are there. Okay. So when you go with from H1 to H6, the font size will decreases from H1 to H6. Okay, so the font size will not be remain same. So H1 will be act as a first heading, H2 will act as a second heading. Okay, like sub headings it will go. Okay, so let's see about the uh, practical. Okay, so how it will be. So I have already one file. So let me create another file for that. So header one dot HTML tag. Okay, and shift plus one. If you click on that, so if you press on those, then enter it, it will give the basic structure of the HTML. Here you can just go with the H1 tag. Okay, so let me copy from here H1 to H2, H6. Okay, so copy. So this is called as a tag, so which gives the instructions to this element how to display in the web page. Okay, so this H1 is a first heading, H2 is a second heading. Okay, so let me save it and again run this. Okay, so run without debugging on the web app Chrome. 1 minute. So let me close this. Run. Okay, so as you can see, the header 1, header 2, header 3. So as you can see from H1 to H6, it is decreasing its size. So it goes from first heading to heading to subheadings. So this is about the header tag. So I hope this video is useful for you to for a header. So what is a header and what is the purpose of this header? So if you are done to this video, please hit on the like button, share to others, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.